want Santa to come now?
Santa's coming! Santa's coming! Wait there, Santa's gonna come to you. Just wait. Just wait. Santa!
Yeah.
Where's Santa? Ariana! Where's Santa? Look! It's Santa! Santa Claus! Does Santa have presents for you? Look at Santa!
Baby.
Santa Claus? What did Santa Claus bring?
Those little pigs. Oh, you come to Santa.
Go see Santa.
Don't be afraid.
Go see Santa.
You come to Santa. It's okay.
Hi, Santa. Hi, Santa.
It's okay.
It's Santa Claus.
You stay here.
Look at Santa
I brought
Claus.
you gifts from heaven.
Santa Claus? What did Santa Claus bring Ariana?
What is your name?
Say Merry Christmas. And my name's Ariana.
It's okay.
What did Santa Claus bring? Oh, look at the big teddy bear. It's bigger than you are. Santa Claus. Say thank you, Santa Claus.
I heard that is your first Christmas. That's why Santa came from heaven for you. Oh no, I don't like it. You don't need to.
Ariana.
It's okay.
You're a good girl.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, say bye.